Tim here with Sol Invictus Arms at TriggerCon 2018. We're excited to debut the semi-automatic version of the AA-12. It's going to be available in two different models, the iconic A-frame front sight, rear sight, and also a model available with the Picatinny sight rail to mount optics. It'll come with a standard 8-round box magazine or the 20-round drum mag.
Super serious problem.
It fires from the closed bolt position. So I think what else?
How much is a weight?
Unloaded, 10 pounds is going to be the weight. It's got the overall length of 38 inches.
Awesome. Well, we thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And for the video.
Appreciate it.